members, I know it's been a little while. What I've got today, I'm going to show you this. I bought a bunch of brass. These are solid brass knobs. They each weigh a little bit under 100 grams. And what I'm going to attempt to do is make them into coins. We'll show you the coins later. We've got some assistants here today. Introduce yourselves, if you wish.
Hi.
There you go. So this is going to take a while before this will melt. You've got, it will take some time, and we don't want to do too hot of a melt because it's brass, so it's got zinc in it. You kind of just want it has to be hot, but not that hot, right? Okay. I think we're going to pause this part of the video, and then we'll show a little bit when we're ready to do the pour and all that. 10 minutes. All right, well, we're just about ready for the pour.
What's that for? Okay, now I hope we're not too early, but I'd actually rather be too early than too late with this particular stuff. We're going to probably just have to deal with that later. For now, get that pour done. You're dirty.
I did a practice pour earlier on today. I can tell you this pour went a heck of a lot better than that one. There's still a lot of shaping and stuff that'll need to get done. Color's looking good.
Actually, pretty happy with this result, at least so far, but it's sure looking good. If you get that, besides pouring, my favorite part of the process, the quench. A little bit left over, but you know, generally speaking, we got ourselves a pretty good pour. Did have some really good materials to work with. I want to really thank our cameraman. I'd like to show you what we got from the first pour so you can see kind of what we're looking at here. Do you think you could get the camera focused on that? And so still working on getting this done, system down a little bit, but we've got the Scrappin logo on there. I'm not sure if you can make it out on there, but it's on there. And then I believe TJ is holding 3 of 20, if I'm not mistaken. So I think that's we're good. So we're going to do the same thing with these, and I'm going to stamp them out. You never know when I might have a contest for you to win one of these things, so stay tuned on that.
Woo!
Thank you very much for tuning in. I know we haven't had very much on here lately, but thanks for tuning in. And Scrappin' over.